Idea Space. The Final Frontier.
Amy, let's pick up where we left off the last part.
We left off with Sally, or I might call her here, Silly Sally, but only in fun and with no intent of any real mockery, for what she said was spot on, giving us a brief comparison between how UniML deals with relationships versus how RDF does, and that with UniML one can have both, for UniML is like one of those creatures one might see in a low-budget, sci-fi movie, that can devour anything, and hence the uni in UniML. For whatever method one might choose to employ, so as to convey some model or concept, such as here using the RDF graph, UniML can import, or one might say, gobble up, that very same method, that is, its graphical representation, into UniML as a swim lane island, then link that, or any of its components, to any number of white pearls on the UniML string, here, as a beeline, which consist of one straight line, with no bends, and hence no routing is required, which can be employed to connect any object on any graphics, so gobbled up, and then imported into the UniML model, as a swim lane island, to any white pearl on a string, thus establishing what linguists call a denotation, that is, a way of saying, this white pearl denotes this thing pointed to by the beeline. And, alternatively, for UniML likes to give model builders more than one way to model things, so that they can develop their own, personalized, style of doing that, with the denotation being accomplished in this example by employing bookmarks, here and here, versus using a beeline. And one can see that, in what is called the yarn, that bookmarks, unlike beelines, can employ bends and thus require routing. And so maybe now is a good time to take a bit of a closer look at how UniML does all this, and point out in particular some of the symbols that it employs to do so.
This is a teacup symbol, as we British love our tea, and the teacup denotes which white pearl serves as the actor that performs some action, in this case that white pearl being Mary Smith.
By the way, may I suggest that we mute all these swim lanes and crosswalks, by making them semi-transparent?
Great idea, Kimberly. I love it. Let's do that.
And every teacup needs a saucer, which here denotes that the white pearl person is the object, that is to say, the white pearl that is the recipient of the action performed by the white pearl, serving as the actor, which in this example, the actor is Mary Smith, who then performs some action on the white pearl person. Which brings us to this symbol, called a doodad, which denotes the white pearl that serves as the thing to be done or do, which in this example, the thing to be done, is just to be, or in this case, is. And one does need a good serving tray to serve one's tea.
And, by the way, this is a comment bubble combo, with a text section and an illustration section. And, yet another by the way, you may be thinking this is Sally's laser pointer, but, no, it is my lightsaber. Good thing that I had it set on stun, else, I would have blasted it into tiny pieces. Like this.
Gee Kimberly, you need to be careful with that blasted thing.
Else, we might have to start calling you Killer Kimberly, the by the way, Jedi, for you are always interrupting me with your by the ways, though, perhaps often, prudently so. But even if that is the case, these do prolong the length of these videos, which, by the way, this one is, in fact, starting to get long, so let me end it here. As usual, links as well as chapter title listings are in the description box below, and the background music is another one of Ron's improvs, named A Piece for Peace, an improv for flute, handbells, and piano, which I will refrain from making any further comment, to keep this video from even getting any longer, even though I may be quite tempted to do so. And, that is all, for this part 12, though I still have much to cover, so stay tuned for future parts in this series.